Hi LEGO builders, my name is WV and today I'm here to show you how to build a mini LEGO rescue helicopter. I hope you enjoy my video. The first piece you're going to need is this 2x6 plank. The next piece you're going to need is this 2x2 brick. And then the next piece you're going to need two of these is two 1x2 bricks. In the next piece, you're going to need a 2x2 upside down ramp. Sorry. Then the next piece, you're going to need two of these 1x6 flat planks. The next thing, you're going to need four of these for 1x2 flats with stubs. Then what you're going to need is two 1x1 little plank squares. And what you're going to need is two 1x2 flat. And then you're going to need two mini ramps, transparent. Then last but not least, you're going to need this transparent red 1x2 piece. So the first piece you're going to need to grab is this 2x6 plank. Next piece you're going to grab is this 2x2 brick. Then you're going to put that on like that. So it should look like that. The next piece you're going to need is the two 1x2 bricks. You're going to put one right there and one right there. And then it should look like that. And the next piece you're going to need is the 2x2 upside down ramp. I'm going to put that right there, and that's going to be the tail of your helicopter. And then the next piece you're going to need is these two red 1x1 squares. I'm going to put them in the front like that. So far it should look like your helicopter should look like that. These are just going to be part of the body. And the next thing, you're going to need these two 1x1 transparent miniature ramps, and you're going to put them on like that. So your helicopter should mostly look like that. Next piece you're going to need is your 2x1 transparent red flat. You're going to put it on right like that, and that's going to be your little siren. And you're going to need two of the 1x2 flats with the stubs. You're going to put one right here like that, and the other one right next to it. Then you're going to take another 1x2 flat with a stub. You're going to put it like that, so your helicopter should look like that. And that's going to, and then you're going to need your two 1x2 flats. And then what you're going to need, so you're going to need your last 1x2 flat plank with a stud. You're going to put that on the back. And then last but not least, your two propellers. You're going to take one and make sure, see all the little dots? You're going to line those up with that hole, and then put it, and then spin that to like 40 degrees. And then next, you're going to need the other one, and you're going to take it and do the same thing on the back. And then there you have it, the Lego Mini Rescue Helicopter. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have to say this is my first video. It's been really exciting filming this, and I got the idea from other videos I saw on YouTube. Bye. I hope you enjoyed the video.